Hey guys, it is Friday afternoon, about I think 2:30 something. I am over here at well, I guess she's our loan officer technically. She's helping us get our books back set up properly and fix them because you know what we're doing. We're not that bad off. We just had some stuff miscategorized and didn't have all of our receipts set up. She's helping us with that, helping us with our disaster loan because we are going broke because of this virus, and she's turning us on to some work as well, and it's gonna help us out with some other stuff. So she's helping us out a lot. So I'm over here at her house. She's at the office. I'm gonna do some trimming on some of her bushes and stuff for her for free, just to clean some stuff up for her. We originally met her because we came over here and she had us do an estimate on some work. So she held off on it for a little while. So we're gonna come in and she's helping us free of charge so far. So I'm gonna come in and take care of some bushes for her. So I'm just gonna do a little bit, cut it, throw it in the back of the truck. Tomorrow we got some mowing, and I'll talk about that tomorrow. So see you in a bit. Good morning, guys. It is Saturday morning. We are here at the storage unit eating our breakfast once again because we still can't eat inside a Whataburger. Woo. So we got two lawns we're doing today, our regulars. One of them may be our last service on the lawn because the owners are under contract to sell the house. We've been servicing it while they were trying to find buyers for it, and someone's approached them to buy the property. So today's supposed to be our last service with them. However, they did give our information to their
real estate agent.
Ooh, oh God, guys, that guy's pulling his boat out and his door just came down, and I think just trashed his tower on his boat. Whew. Anyways, so she gave their information to her real estate officer.
He's gonna do it again.
Oh, no, is he gonna do it again?
Yeah, look.
Bro.
No.
No.
Oh,
What are
well.
you... Is that just how he opens it? Bro. Bruh. Bruh.
Yeah, that's how he's gonna open it. Wow.
Okay.
Get money, first world problems for people.
When I saw that one was screwed up that one day I was working, I bet you that's exactly what happened right there because it was bent out. Anyways, so
Is he gonna look at it?
hopefully
No, he don't give a shit.
yeah.
Seriously? Like what?
Bruh.
Okay.
Bruh.
He just has money.
It's just closing the thing.
He doesn't care.
Yeah, whatever.
Okay. Screw your boat up. You have money, I guess.
It must be nice to be able to take your boat out on a Saturday morning.
And not care about banging it up.
Yeah. Anyways, so we're hoping that the real estate officer is going to recommend us to the new owners, and I will drop, we're going to drop by a door hanger probably with a note attached to it, a typed out note saying that we previously serviced this property while it was for sale, and if they would like us to continue servicing it, to please give us a call and let us know. So that's the plan for that for
We
today.
might have another commercial one as well.
Yeah, like I mentioned yesterday, we're waiting to hear back about that commercial one. We're going to start it. That was actually probably going to be our easiest job. There's very little trimming to do.
It's
And
a little further out, but hey.
yeah, it's almost downtown, so it's out of our normal operating range, but it's going to be $100 or so per service. It will be in and out in like 30-40 minutes. Almost no trimming. The fence line I'm going to spray so I don't have to trim against the front fence line, and we don't have to do no edging or anything like that. It's just an old empty lot. So bad news is there's a lot of bums around the area, so we're going to have to watch our equipment.
Well, that's why we're cutting it, so they stay out of the our other customers' yard.
Yeah.
She's more of our friend now, but yeah.
She,
our mentor. She's a mentor to
yeah,
us.
she's gonna be our mentor. She's having trouble with them back there. The city cut it. I think she said a couple weeks ago.
Took them 5 hours.
Took them 5 hours to cut it,
because
and
of all the trash that the homeless left.
yeah, all the trash that the homeless left. And we were there yesterday, and it was still a foot or two tall in most spots. So
They didn't do very well.
yeah, but
I mean the city.
yeah, it's the city. I think it's pretty common everywhere that the city never really does great jobs mowing, but we don't have to do anything special with it. We don't have to edge or anything like that, so it's really just hitting it with the mower and trimming the 3 spots we can hit with the mower. Easy breezy, so it's kind of worth it to drive out there for that. But we're gonna go ahead and eat, and I'll see y'all at the first shop site.